So I've heard nothing but great things about Briogeo's deep conditioners, and I'm here to put that to the test today. I'm starting out on an old wash and go, and I'm just making sure that my hair is thoroughly wet and nice and saturated for my shampoo. Today I'm going to be using the Ouidad Ultra Nourishing Cleansing Oil Shampoo. I'm just going in with a good amount of that in each section. As I do section my hair when I'm shampooing, it helps me thoroughly shampoo my hair and make sure that all of my strands get touched. My scalp is thoroughly cleansed, and that is the main reason why I'm shampooing my hair. So it's really beneficial for me to put my hair in sections, as many of you know. But I'm going in shampooing thoroughly, and I'm going to thoroughly rinse that out when I am done. Before y'all watch this video and see how I feel about this product, I want you to leave a comment below. Have you tried this product before? Do you like it? What do you think about it? And what are your current favorite deep conditioners? I always like trying new deep conditioners. I'm gonna be going through my current product stash before I purchase anything. I'll probably make a video on that just so you guys are aware of the things that I've had, since I have returned some things since my haul video, and get you all up to date. But I got that thoroughly rinsed out, so I'm gonna go in with the product. I've seen really good reviews on this product and all the other Briogeo deep conditioners, so I'm excited to give it a try. I haven't opened this product yet, so this is me using my teeth as tools, which they are not, to open the product, and yeah. Now I'm going in with the Briogeo Vegan Apple Honey Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, so let's get into it. Ooh. I already don't like using this bottle. I already do not like it. All right, squeezing that out. Ooh. It does smell like apple. It smells like caramel apples. Okay, so I'm just gonna rub that together. And here's what it's looking like. I'm gonna need to add some more. I don't know. Upon application, my hair feels soft, but this isn't giving me very much slip. Like, not as much slip as I like. I'll probably have to work the product in more, but I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit and let this sit, and I'm just gonna apply this everywhere else, and then I'll come back and detangle and see if there's some changes being made. But right now, it's just, I don't know. So whenever I'm working with a deep conditioner or a conditioner product and I'm not feeling it, I always add water to it, because that could be the problem. It just needs more water and it needs to be worked in better. So I added a good amount of water, and now I'm just squeezing that into my hair, making sure it's foaming up as much as it possibly can. Okay, the water helped. You see how it's foaming up more, and that's what I like conditioners to do. It's really working. Okay. We're getting somewhere. So I'm just gonna continue to do that. I'm gonna take that section, cut it in half, and let it sit while I go throughout the other sections, wetting the hair first and then applying the deep conditioner. once I work it in, I do like how it makes my hair feel, but I don't like having to work this hard to work this into my hair. Period. It's just not what I usually have to do. And I don't, if you know me or if you see my videos, you'd know I don't like working hard for things I don't feel like I should have to work hard for. And I shouldn't have to work so hard to work this into my hair. Despite whether it's foaming up a lot right now, it doesn't really matter. At this point, all that's gonna matter is how my hair feels when I rinse it out. Okay, I got that all throughout my head. Spent like 30 minutes working that all throughout my head. It typically doesn't take me that long to work conditioner into my hair, but alas, here we are. Let's see how the back is feeling. It's doing its job, but it's not feeling how I ideally want it to feel. So now that I gave it some time to sit, I do think it's feeling good on my hair. I felt better, I have, but I do think it feels good. I am going to twist this up and I'm going to let this sit in my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then I'm gonna hop back in and detangle under running water and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I let that sit in my hair while I was under the dryer for about 45 minutes. I did not see any directions on this bottle, so whatever. I probably could have sat with it for less time, but trying to give it the best benefit, okay? I'm gonna detangle and rinse this out.
First off, respectfully, this is not it. 3 out of 10. That's the best I can give it. The slip was not there. It just didn't feel very, deep conditioned after even letting it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. It was a struggle deep conditioning and it was a struggle detangling while rinsing out this product. And I know for a fact that should not be how it is because I have deep conditioners that work wonders and don't give me these issues. It took me way too long to work the product into my hair. Overall, I just don't like it. Now, I was looking for links to this product and it looks like they're not even really selling it anymore. And hey, it is what it is. I really just don't think it's worth the money. I think that if you want to try a Briogeo deep conditioner, try any one but this product. The bottle was cute, yes. The marketing was cute. It seemed to work for some people, but my goodness, I strongly dislike this product. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I'm excited to try the other Briogeo deep conditioners because I've heard from naturals that they're great. I also heard from some naturals that this product was great. So I'm a little skeptical now, I'm not gonna lie, but you guys have told me great things about the Don't Despair Repair protein deep conditioning mask and the kiwi deep conditioning mask. So I'll be excited to try those out, but it did feel soft upon rinsing it out. Like it felt like, okay, at least I know I put conditioner in my hair. But my goodness, I just did not like this product at all. To say something like on a positive note, it did condition my hair, but a rinse out conditioner could have done better than this product. Now, if you've used this product before and you like it, more power to you. But I have to be honest about how I feel and it just wasn't it.
Okay, so I've run my hair through the water as you guys saw and detangled. My hair feels soft, yes, it feels good. It feels like it had deep conditioner on it, but I didn't like using this product. This product doesn't have good slip. It was hard to work into my hair, and while it feels good now, a lot of deep conditioners deep condition hair and make it feel good. Again, it feels soft. It could feel softer, but it does feel good. I had really high hopes for this deep conditioner just because I've heard great things, but specifically because it's a Briogeo deep conditioner and all I ever hear about Briogeo is how good their deep conditioners are. Now mind you, I still have some deep conditioners of Briogeo's to try out, but this one, I'm probably not gonna repurchase this. I'm gonna finish it up, of course. I'm gonna finish using it, but I can't see a repurchase of this product in the horizon at all. I'll just come close and show you guys. My hair feels soft, it does. It feels nice and fluffy and soft, but I said what I said. Next up, I'm going to use these two products, so go ahead and stay tuned for that video. It's coming very, very soon. I'll see you guys there.